Grade 3 General Knowledge. Living in a World of Wonders. Hi, my dear children. Here is your general knowledge teacher. Today I am meeting you with the first general knowledge lesson of the second term. Living in a World of Wonders. Children, do you remember our previous lesson? Yes, we learned about our country, Sri Lanka. All of you know about the capital of the country, name of the president, and some interesting places in Sri Lanka. Here we are going to see another interesting country in our world. It is Venice in Italy. Venice is one of the most magical cities in the world, and also it is known as the floating city. This might be a small island, but there are so much to see. We'll see what are the interesting things we can see here. Venice. This magical city of Venice is located in the Veneto region of Italy in the northeast of the country. This ancient and historically important city was built on 118 small islands in the Adriatic Sea, and that are separated by 150 canals. Children, do you know why this city is more interesting? Yes, because this beautiful city has no roads like our city. There are canals around the city. People who live in Venice, they cross these canals through bridges. There are exactly 391 bridges in Venice. They navigate across the city by boats, both rowing boats and motorboats. You all can see these various types of boats in these pictures. The gondola is a traditional Venetian rowing boat. It is a flat-bottom wooden boat. There are 8 different types of wood that used to construct these boats. Those are oak, larch fir, linden, elm, walnut, mahogany, and some cherry wood. Next, we will see about buildings in Venice. These buildings are very old and attractive. This made Venice one of the famous cities in the world. The most famous sites in Venice. There are most famous landmarks in the city. Let's see those sites now. First, we'll see about the Rialto Bridge. This is the oldest of 4 bridges spanning the Grand Canal in Venice. Rialto is the most popular bridge in Venice. From the top of the bridge, we can see and enjoy iconic view of this entire city. Next, we'll see about St. Mark's Basilica. This is another famous site in Venice. This domed church was built in 11th century and it is a glittering patchwork of precious things, a magpie's nest of beautiful parts. The interior is equally stunning, a heady mix of Byzantine mosaics and polychrome marble. Next, St. Mark's Square. It is the heart of Venice and vast expanse, Venice's largest square. This place everybody gathers for stroll, drinks coffee, stops to chat, meet friends and tour guides, or just passes through on the way to walk or play. Next, we are going to see a very famous landmark in this city. It is Doge's Palace. The Doge's Palace is a palace built in Venetian Gothic styles. For centuries, this building served as the residence for Doge, the seat of the government. Now this is a museum in Venice and has some great views of Venice. Next, we'll see about Canal Grande. Sweeping through the heart of Venice in a giant reverse 5 curve, the Grand Canal is the principal boulevard through the city. It is connecting with Piazza San Marco and Rialto Bridge, and arrival point of the rail station and bridge from the mainland. Okay, children. I hope all of you understood the lesson, and I would like to revise the lesson by asking some questions. Are you ready, children? Let's see the questions. Fill in the blanks. A. Venice is the capital of the blank, which is in the northeast of Italy. B. The people of Venice navigate across the city on blank. C. The most famous Venetian type of boat is called a blank. D. Venice is built on 118 small blank. E. The blank is the oldest of the 4 bridges spanning the Grand Canal in Venice, Italy. Now you can check your answers. A. Veneto region. B. Both rowing boats and motorboats. C. Gondolas. D. Islands. E. Rialto Bridge. Okay, children, I hope all of you enjoyed the lesson very well. I will meet you soon with another interesting lesson. Bye bye.